Loading stream. We are live. What's up, everybody? We are live, part 2. Entries and exits show is a go. Again, we're trying this out for the first time on YouTube. I've done the other kind of lives already, but I've never done like an entries and exits show on the YouTube like this, where the participants are gonna come on. So let's have it going. I think I look much cleaner right now. Okay, I look much cleaner, a little better than before, anyway. So let's make it happen. We got Tanisha Prince Mead. Welcome. That name looks familiar, but I don't think you're like a regular person that I see commenting. Boom, looks good. Yeah, it looks a lot better. I don't know why. I didn't do anything. So boom on that one. All right, we're starting off let me just write the comment, what we're doing today. Why does it say professor's meeting room? Oh, come on, bro. That's a problem. That's not what it should say. It should say entries and exit show. Sacre bleu. All right, it's cool. That is what it is. Today's the first time we're doing it anyway. All right, let me see. Let me pin the message for today, what we're doing. And then we're going to start. Guys, get your notebooks ready. Get your trading views ready on the side. So the tickers, the whole 9 yards. We're going to make it happen. So let's do it. Entry and exit show. Let me just write everything, the website. Free course. Boom, done. And then my Twitter. Again, guys, everyone knows the situation with the IG. It is what it is. Hopefully it comes back. As of now, it doesn't look too good, but it's fine. It is what it is. Can't let that stop me. Twitter is Day Trade, PROF. Boom. All right, let me pin that. Pin message. All right, let's start it off. All right, we got 2 people coming on the show. They've been on the show multiple times before. Let's make it happen. And yo, I see everybody. Miss Melody, what's up? I love it. What's up? All is well, Christian. Good to see you. Tanisha, this is day 2 for me. Started watching your IG with Mr. 428. Oh, damn, you're from Mr. 428. Okay, welcome. All right, boys, come on the show. Show yourself. Let's go. We got Mikey coming on, and we got Brody coming back. Come on back on the show, boys. Welcome, Brody. Thank you for coming on the show.
Of course.
Mikey, are you there? Don't tell me I lost him already. There he is. Mikey, so what's up, everybody? Welcome back. You know what? You 2 have been on the show. Brody has broken the record, but Mikey, I think you might be the second holder of it. You used to come on regularly, but you stopped showing up lately.
I got busy. I messaged you on Instagram.
When?
I don't know, like 2 weeks ago.
What'd you say? Tell me what. I don't remember. I haven't been alone. About the helicopter?
No. It was about work. All these fires in California.
Oh, yeah. So what's happening? Give me some updates.
Nothing. Just been working. I'm still trading, though. Just not as much as I usually do.
Got you. So tell me, how's your trading? You still trading MRO?
Yeah, I was still trading tomorrow. Absolutely.
How fire has MRO been, bro?
I mean, if you're trading both sides of it, you're probably making good money right now.
Listen, you know what? I swear to God, I understand how it works. But today I tried to short it because I was going up. I wanted to write it up and write it down. But there were no shares available to short today. I'm like, God damn it. And it's not Weeble's fault.
I didn't short either.
Yeah, it's not Weeble's fault. I know how it works. Because people say, oh, they're not trying to let us make money. No, it doesn't work that way. Weeble makes money both ways. It doesn't matter. But point being, I don't think that many shares are available because people think it's going to fall aggressively.
Yep. That's exactly
so people are probably shorting it all the way back down.
But do you remember you said on a live, like, I think this was like 3 or 4 days ago, like MRO is going to hit $14. And guess what? It hit $14.
I didn't say that. He said that. I appreciate you saying that. That is true. I told everyone exactly what was about to happen. And I'm like, guys, it's coming. I don't know if people took the trade on that one, but it was very nice. I still remember when I said that. Someone in the comment section, and photographic memory, said, thank you, Professor. I'm going to buy a call option on MRO for $14, something. And I'm going, yeah, go ahead. 100%. It's my ticker. I know where it's going to go. And
Right.
I'm not too happy with where it is right now. You know, again, as I said, I've been saying it, as Mr. Peter says it when he comes to the live, we don't like it when the stock keeps going up, 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 up.
No.
Again, I enjoy trading it. Again, I don't care if it goes up, up, up. I can still ride this, even though it's doing this, it has these in the micro time frame. So I'm making money on as it goes up, comes back down, and I'm gonna go right back and ride it again. That's what I did today. Like, did you trade it today?
I did,
Did you trade it in the morning at open?
dude.
So nice. And then it
course you
came
did.
back down. I waited for a support. I think it did a cup and handle, or was it a cup and handle formation?
I'm pretty sure I noticed that too. I was already out of the trade by then. I scalped it this morning. That's about it.
What time did you stop trading it?
I think 6:45.
What's New York? What the hell is that in New York time?
9:45?
What, you were done at 9:45?
No. That's when I started trading it.
Oh, when
So I was
did you
probably
finish
done around
trading it?
7:05, 7:10,
What time is that in New York?
10, 10:05.
Oh, okay.
10:10.
I traded it all day.
Yeah, I know. I had to work or else I would. It
No,
looked- it looked good.
I know. So I were you watching the 8 p.m. show, Mikey?
Yeah, of course.
So I felt the weight off the shoulder, you know, not being the professor, not having the Instagram, not having to do what I do in the background all the time, because people think, you know, it's easy to be the professor. So I feel
Right.
lighter. And I was just like, yo, I'm having a time of my life trading. Like this week was like unbelievable. And bro, this is the beauty when you learn your ticker and you know it. Like you just said, I predicted that it was going to hit 14 because I know my ticker. If you can learn my strategy and apply that to 3 tickers, the sky is the limit. And now as
Right.
MRO gets more and more expensive, I have to see how it's going to play out, but I might change it. I might change it because I don't want it when it gets more less profit margin.
Right. Well, that's what happened with JetBlue, right?
100%. I traded it all the way from $7 to 15 and I was done. The minute it crossed 15, it went all the way to $21 and then it fell all the way back to 15, but I was done with it anyways. The minute it went into the 15, I was like, thank you, JetBlue. I had a great time, great money. I'm done. All right, so boys, let's kick it off. Let's start the show. Hold, let me just check if there's any specific questions. We can't DM you on Twitter. Huh. That sucks. Did they just keep reporting you until you got disabled? No, this person got someone to shut me down. That's what he threatened me with. He literally told me what he was going to do a month ago. And I told you guys word for word what he told me on the phone. So he did it. It's all good. Trying to DM you Twitter doesn't give me the option. All right, Fred, give me some time. Give me later today and I'll figure out why you can't do that because I got DMs on Twitter. So that's weird. I bought a $14 call as well. Got it. Cool. What's Jivo at? I don't know. I haven't looked at Jivo. I've been looking at MRO. All right, cool. Questions look good. I've answered them. Let's kick this off. Let me get you boys ready so I can see you. Oh, Mikey got dropped already. How the hell did we just lose Mike?
He's gone.
I understand when IG kicks you off, but how the hell does Zoom kick you off? Oh, Mike, that connection. Oh, Mike. All right, Brody, you ready to go?
I've been ready, baby.
Let's go. All right, let me move the mic out of the way. Mikey, whenever you're ready, just come on. I can't bring you on. It's automatic, I think. All right, let me get this into singular screen. Singular screen. Let's change this to lesson. Let's clean out the stickers. All right, let's rock and roll. Brody, give me some.
Well,
Give me 2.
I'd rather not give you any tickers that I know because I want to do something I've never seen.
Oh, okay. All right. I like.
What-
Okay, you know what? Comment
about that?
section.
What about that one that you mentioned, DHT? I've never
Okay.
seen that one.
Done. DHT. Was it DHT? Let me see. Let me just confirm. Something about. Yep. This is it right here. This is it. All right. So let's do this, Mikey. Whenever you're back, let me know. Comment section, guys. Baby boy, I gotta update Zoom. I believe it. I believe it. Mikey, you're too funny. All right, go do that, Mikey. We got your back forever. Thank you, Poison. I think that's how you pronounce it. Guys, give me tickers. People in the audience section, the comments, guys, start giving me tickers. I hate that the title of this video says Professor's Personal Meeting Room. That's like upsetting me. That's really bothering the life out of me right now. It is what it is. All right, I got CIDM. Okay, cool. I like when random people on YouTube find me. That's like a good feeling. Okay, where are we at? CIDM. SKLZ. FCEL.
Someone said RIDE.
RIDE. All right, cool. That's enough. All right, Brody, you know the deal. I'll be back.
Yep.
You can look at the ceiling.
You just zoomed into yourself.
Oh shit.
For dramatic effect, you should do that more often.
All right, how the hell? No, that's down. Go up.
All right, I have a conversation with myself.
Have a conversation with the comment section.
All right, comment section, where you at?
Tell them, just talk to them about mindset, Brody.
About mindset.
You're good at that. What have you learned
Guys.
in the seminar about mindset? Have a conversation with them. They love you.
Let's see. Big mindset thing. Well, I said all the things I learned this week. Well, one thing that I'm gonna do is now that I see it, I really only care about executing great trades. So I don't even care if I'm going back to one share, even though I was at 10, 20.
What the hell? Why are you going down?
Because I don't want to have any ounce of my attention on even the fact that I can make $5. All I want is to focus on executing the trade at 100% efficiency and trading with one share. That's how I do it. That's all I want to focus on. That's what I want, because it's the same exact process as when I'll be doing 100, 1,000, 5,000 shares. So just going back to a little reset, get my mind back into it, and increases I see fit. But I'm focused on executing my plans to the T. That's all I care about right now.
I like it. That's how it should be. I like that.
Yeah.
Yo, all the tickers they gave me are horrible. The market must be horrible right now. God damn, y'all portfolios must look battered. God.
Well, the SPY, I mean, didn't the SPY bounce back a little today?
We'll look at it in a second, I guess. But these tickers that they gave me are just so bad. Like,
Booty.
damn, the market is bloody as hell. I like my style of trading. I gotta say, I like trading in a bubble. I really, really think days like this, I like that I trade in a bubble. All right, we can make this happen. I got it. We can make this happen.
SPY did have a nice recovery today.
We'll look at it. Actually, let's look at it, because I don't know when the hell Mikey's coming back. Hold on. Let's look at the SPY. We can do that. 100%.
Because, Professor, I mean, I have an interesting perspective, because the only time that I've been trading, the SPY has been on this year-long uptrend. So now this is the first time that I've ever seen it consolidate or go down. So it's an interesting time for me.
100%. I like that, Brody. I like that. So we're gonna have a problem. Oh no, I can zoom in, but you guys will be able to see the freaking ticker. With this, I can't cover it up because the way this 4K camera works, it is what it is. It is what it is. You're 100% right, Brody. You're on the money with what you just said. All right. So let's look at the SPY. Let's go to the daily chart. Damn. God damn. God damn. When I was in MRO was popping. I looked at the SPY for like 2 seconds. I'm like, forget the SPY. It keeps falling and falling, but my MRO keeps going up, up and away. So I was like, screw that.
Yeah, and I'm looking forward to to having that feeling of you have your ticker and it will have its time, right? When it's on a stage 2, you don't care about anything else. MRO's going. That's all you need.
100%. 100%. All right, look what Mikey said. He can't get on. All right. If someone's in the waiting room, you guys can join one person, whoever wants to go. Anybody? Throwing shade on our tickers. No, Francisco, I'm not throwing shade on your tickers. No, you took it the wrong way. That's not how I meant it at one bit. Come on, you know that. Come on, you know that. Monopoly Man, do you deviate at any time from the spy? What do you mean by that, Monopoly Man? And what's your real name? Who are you? Orion, what's up, baby boy? Good to see you. Anybody want to jump on? Sebastian, anybody? Anybody in the waiting room? Baby boy, it ain't the internet, I swear. Let me see who's back. Oh, Dan messaged me. Okay, hold on. Yo, Dan, if you're listening here, jump on, baby boy, Dan. Where'd he go? Dan Lugo. Okay, there you go. Dan. Oh, he wants the link for the seminar. Oh, Dan, I pinned the link to the seminar. I thought you wanted to jump on the Zoom. I mean, the entry and exit show. Anybody? People? Who's in the waiting room? Sebastian, you want to jump on? We could have two people for the show.
I don't see him anymore. He's not.
Oh, he's not there?
Yeah.
Anybody want to join? I'll give it one more minute, I guess. I'll give it one more minute. I'll give it one more minute. Boom, boom. Again, let me know in the comment section, guys. Let me, you know what? What's my Telegram information? How do you reach me on Telegram? Let me see. Do I have a user? Oh, I don't have a username. Let me put a username for myself right now. How the hell do I do that? Oh, there we go. Guys, if you have Telegram, I'm putting my username right now. Day Trade Professor.
That's what it is. Day Trade Professor.
Yep. Guys, my username is Day Trade Professor. Go message me, and I'll send you the link to the Zoom if you want to join. There you go. Monopoly Man, like, do you look at any point not follow SPY? Like you said, the SPY will be going down, but yeah, only lately because MRO is on a stage 2, so it's not paying any mind to the SPY. So boom, that's why. So that's why, Monopoly Man. Eric, I'll go on, but don't want the picture to lag. Eric, jump on, but then shut off your video, I guess, if it lags. Boom. First, I've been using your Finviz screen lately. I haven't found crap besides penny stocks. Saint, there's other ways to do it, baby boy. There's other ways to do it. Boom. Eric, go on. I would, but don't have the link. Message me on Telegram, guys. I'll do it. Saint, should I just avoid the market when there's no blue chip, the channel up pattern and high volume? Well, the thing is, Saint, depends on your level of trading. If you have a high level trading, you can. All right, Francisco, message me. All right, Francisco, I'll send you the link. Francisco, okay. All right, Francisco, here's the link, baby boy. Jump on. Guys, everyone's favorite person's coming on. The Chicken Man, that's what you guys call him.
Oh, yeah.
Here you go, guys. Enjoy. Francisco's a good man.
That was hilarious.
Yeah, everyone called him a Chicken Man. I didn't really get to talk to him too much about that. If I remember, I'll make it happen. I'll make it happen. All right, Francisco, I'll send you the link.
Hey guys,
It's just what's up, bro.
What's up, baby boy?
let me turn off
All right, Francisco,
the
here's the link, baby boy. Jump on.
YouTube. Okay, cool.
Yeah. So,
Hey guys, I'm glad
what's
to
up?
be here.
First of all, thank you for coming on. I appreciate you. I know that you discovered me on IG from Mr. Peters MFG, and now you came all the way to YouTube. And I appreciate everyone that my IG is gone, and I know it's not that easy to go through this whole process. And you really took the effort to jump on this live with me. I appreciate you, Francisco.
We appreciate you, Professor, and whatever it is, we'll be strong. We know you have the light. We got you, man.
Thank you, baby boy. I appreciate it. Yeah, they're not bringing me down. No one's bringing me down. I promised, take it down. I'll just jump over here. So if they take this down, I'll go to Twitch, bro. I don't know how Twitch works,
Yeah.
but someone said, Professor, go to Twitch. I said, I'll go to Twitch.
No, we'll help you. Actually, I sent you so many emails from different things I found.
You sent me
Yeah.
emails.
Yeah,
Done.
from your so I got your website, like back end. I send you emails. Anyway, if you need any tech help, I'm like a post-production guru. I work for an ad agency. Everything that has to do with audio, visuals, streaming, I'm down to help you. So now I have you on Instagram. Let's talk.
No, I'm not on Instagram anymore.
I mean, on Telegram. I'm so sorry, Telegram.
Oh, okay, it's okay.
Yeah, so like
Charles.
I'm super down to help you figuring out the Twitch, the whatever. I can help you.
Thank you, but Francisco, I never got any emails from you, so I don't know who you messaged.
No, I messaged you. You probably didn't get them because they're like back end things. So
Okay.
anyway,
Okay.
whatever.
No worries. All right. So hold on. Let me just see if before we start the show, let me just confirm if there's any questions from the audience, and then I'm gonna start the show. Let's see. Let me see. What is stage 2? That's a whole conversation, Stevenson. Stage 2 simplified is an uptrend of a stock. This 4 stages to the market, but that's a whole nother conversation. I'm gonna start the show, so I can't get into that now. I just started doing real trades about 2 weeks ago, trading anywhere from 1 to 10 shares. Okay, cool. Saint, why don't you just sign up for a seminar? I teach you how to do all the whole 9 yards. I pinned everything. Eric, they're doing the chicken emoji. I love it. That's funny.
Yeah.
Professor, are you still involved with DTT? No, Saint. Where you been? Where you been? That's been finished for a long time. Fred, if you need tech help, I can help too. I'm a web designer. Thank you, Fred. Appreciate it. Fred's in New York. Thank you. Should I stop supporting Rich? No, I'm not commenting on him. I'm not commenting on him or anything about him. So no comment. Guys, what's the Telegram? The same as my YouTube, the same as my Twitter, the same as my website. Everything. I made sure to buy all the links, not buy, but get all the links. Day Trade Professor. Can you show MRO? Tanisha, I'm not gonna do MRO because I already know it. I want to be surprised too, you know. But maybe at the end I'll show you MRO. No question. All right, that's it. Question's over. All right, now we can start. So before we start, Francisco.
Yes.
So you've come to the live shows before. So I know you've been to the live show. Just give
Yes.
us a quick rundown because your first time on my YouTube, because this will be saved and people watching a rerun won't know who you are. Where are you
Sure.
from? And bro, to YouTube, please. You forgot to do that too. Where are you from and how'd you discover this?
So I am originally from Tijuana, Mexico. That's where I'm at now. I usually am in Phoenix, Arizona. I found you through Gerald Peters, one of his lives. Great Gerald Peters. And yeah, I just love your stuff. I did the free course.
You finished the whole thing now?
Yeah. I did it a while ago, actually.
Oh.
I've been following you for maybe 3 months.
I could swear you told me 3 weeks, but okay.
Yeah, no, it's been a while because, like, you know, I found you through GP. Yeah, so I love it. I love your info, and like, you know, I love that you're into Ethereum and your plan for the school and everything. So great.
Thank you, Francisco. And tell just a quick rundown about the chicken story because the comments will be saved on the live too. Believe it or not, on YouTube, the comments get saved too. Just a quick rundown
Okay,
of the chicken story.
So we were talking, I forgot his name. This guy, he was actually from Africa, and he was saying something to the effect of, yeah, it's a third world country. And I was like, well, it sounds kind of bad to say that. Is it a rural place? He's like, yeah, it's rural, you know, like dirt roads and stuff. And I'm like, yeah, that's great. I love it. Actually, I have a pet chicken. So I told him that I'm connected with like the rural side of the world. And I shared that I have a pet chicken, and yeah, my pet chicken is well and living it up here in Tijuana by the beach. So that's the story with the pet chicken.
I love it. Brody, where are you coming in from, and how'd you find this? Because I forgot to do your intro. I should have done it at the 8 p.m. show, but it's all good.
Yeah, I'm from Los Angeles, California, now in Newport Beach, about an hour south. Found Professor back in May and knew nothing about stocks and had no intention or desire to make a living trading. But once I heard your strategy, it immediately resonated, and I got a seat for the seminar. Took that in July, and have just been making steady progress ever since then. On the way to the promised land.
I love it. All right, before we start, boys, let me just quickly do a rundown of the SPY as I just promised, and then we'll start.
Cool.
All right, let's do it. I'm just gonna show the SPY, guys. This is the SPY on the daily chart. As you can see, it has, boys, just let me know, is this clear? Because I've never, is this good?
There is a glare. I definitely can't. I definitely can't see the numbers.
Oh, you don't need to see the numbers. I'll say them out loud, but you can see the trend. You can see what I'm about to say,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
It's fine. Yeah.
Okay. Wait, where's the glare? Is the glare, you mean you see the TV?
Yeah,
Yeah, I need that, Brody, or I won't be able to see what the hell I'm doing.
it's all
Yeah.
good. I can tell everything.
Okay. All right, so here we go, guys. This is the SPY on the daily chart. We got the EMA. I don't need the EMAs right now. I don't need the indicators. Okay, let me zoom in further. So the SPY's trajectory has been doing fantastic, and it's been losing and falling from how many levels of support? Let's see. We get lost 1 support, 2 support, 3 support, 4 support. It went down 4 levels of support. But it held at the 428.86 level. Held once, held twice. It broke it today, as you can see right here, but then it bounced right back up. So is it, boys, is it still looking good, or it could still fall? What do you think?
Could still fall.
It could still fall. So don't take this as a sign of hope. What you need to understand is it could still fall. This is just one day. Because as you can see, it's basically a dead cat bounce. Guys know what that is? I hate that saying. I really don't like saying that.
What is
I
that?
really don't like saying that, but that's what it's called.
What is that? I've heard that before.
I never heard that.
You never heard that voice?
Never.
Oh my God. So I want to see what the comments are saying. This is like one of the most common stock market words of all time. Hold on. Let me go see the comments. Guys in the comment section, do you know what the hell a dead cat bounce is?
Huh.
Who's going to Danny P's party tomorrow? I was Jonathan. What's up, baby boy? Good to see you. I was supposed to go. Danny called me, invited me, but the problem is I'm not in the mood to party. I'm not in the right mindset to party. So boom, there's a story with that. So I'm not going, but I was supposed to go.
That's how I feel today too.
Say that again.
That's how I feel. I'm not in the mood. There's so many parties. People are like, let's go do this. I'm like, I'm not in the mood. Sorry.
I love parties. I'm not a party person, but I do like parties. But my reasoning is because of the incident that happened with my IG, so it threw my mood off. That's all it is, really. All right, let's keep going. Heading to Danny P's house. Okay, Nunez, I got you. Damn, I miss spending my Fridays with the professor. It feels good to be back. Good to be. Saint, I've been going live every Friday. So what do you mean you miss the Fridays? I've never missed one. What are you talking about? Looks like the SPY, the GOAT, bang, bang, boom. Heard of it, but don't know what it means. Never hear. What? Never heard of it. Not sure what a dead cat is. My cat ran out when he heard that. Like when you see a dead cat in the road and it's similar to double bottom, when the stocks fall for 50% and then it bounces 10% one day, then it continues to go down. Nice, Faris. Faris is coming to the seminar in October this month. So boom, there we go. There you go. That's what, and I'll explain it right now, boys. I'll explain it right now. Let me get back to Zoom and I'll explain right now what a dead cat bounce is. Okay. So again, I didn't create this saying. This is not one of mine. This is, hold on. It's a Wall Street terminology. What it means is a cat could fall from a massive area from really high up and hit the ground and it will bounce. So how does that equate to stocks in the market? That a stock, let me undo.
Oversold.
That a stock could free fall and eventually it will bounce, but then continue to free fall. That's what a dead cat bounce is. Again, I know it sounds horrible, but it's a stock market terminology. So that's really what happened here. There's a dead cat bounce right here. Then it fell so aggressively that you're going to catch a little bounce. That's the beauty of scalp trading. You wait for these moments. You wait for it to fall on support, hold, and ride it right back up. That's where you can make more money. So that's what a dead cat bounce was. So could it keep going down? Let's see what happens. For us to know that it's out of danger, so the real question you should be asking is, Professor, how do we know we're out of the danger zone? Like, how do we know we're safe sailing now? Yay.
Yay.
You got resistance? You got resistance. You got 2 levels. of, you got 2 levels of resistance right here. So you have to play that out. Let's see what happens on Monday. If it goes like this, you can trade it. Wait for this to break. Once it breaks that, start trading again. Wait, don't take any trades. Once it breaks that, smooth sailing. Back to the moon. I wouldn't be surprised if the SPY hit. I would not be surprised if the SPY hit 500. Mikey, if you're watching, because you'll remember this. Excuse me. I wouldn't be surprised if the SPY hit 500 November, December. I wouldn't be surprised. So boom. There you go. So don't panic. The stock market's not collapsing. It's not. I know. Robert. Again, I respect Robert Kiyosaki, but he said October the market will crash, the crypto will crash. I don't know where people get this goddamn notion from. I don't know. People, let's look at the history of the SPY. I swear to God, when he said that, I'm like, what are you smoking, bro? Let's look at the monthly chart. This is the monthly chart of the SPY. What crash are we talking about here? This little pullback on, you can call, if you want to, I wouldn't call COVID the crash, but it was bad. COVID was bad, but it bounced ever since that. And look, comparing this to COVID, look at this. We'll be fine. No need to panic about the SPY. Boys, agree or disagree? Give me your evaluation of what I said.
Yeah, I mean, I agree. I'm just watching the SPY and seeing what happens. It bounced off that support today, and we'll see what happens on Monday.
Correct.
Are
Correct.
people saying that it's gonna crash due to like the inflation or something like that? Maybe.
The way that see, I don't want to say these words. I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. But the way our BIDEN is running things, how the DEMOCRATS are running things.
Sure.
The situation with China and the crash that happened over there with
With the housing market thing.
Evergrande and all the other stuff that's going on in their markets. It's just, I don't see it. I'm just being honest. I don't see any crash coming. Simple as that.
Yeah.
I don't see it. I don't know where Robert Kiyosaki is getting his notion that crypto and the stock market is all going to crash. I don't think so. Highly doubt it. I don't think we'll see another crash for many, many years. Not a crash, sorry. Like a big drop like COVID for many, many years to come. So boom. Point being, just trade the goddamn market. Close out your positions before the market closes. And what are you concerned about? My audience, I'm talking to my traders. What are you concerned about? This is why I'm not concerned about any of it. Because my positions are closed. Like I have nothing in MRO right now. MRO is on a stage 2. It can go into a stage 3 and drop considerably. And go to stage 4 and completely drop. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. So what are you concerned about, traders? Don't be concerned if you're not swing trading anyway. But boom. All right, boys, let's rock and roll. So now here's the issue, boys. The way the smart board is set up, you're gonna end up seeing the ticker. I'm gonna try my best not to let you see the ticker, but you're gonna end up seeing the ticker. Are you ready?
That's fine, man.
Okay. So no cheating.
No cheating.
No cheating. All right, let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. I'm gonna try to not show the ticker. Let me see if I can play with the smart board. Hold on. Boys, have a conversation with yourselves.
Francisco, are you standing right now?
I am. Yep. My standing desk.
Man, I gotta move the mine, man.
That's
I've
what
been
you
kidding.
can be chilling. That's fine.
No, it's better to stand. It's better to stand.
Now,
It
Brody,
is. Oh my God.
Brody, you got COVID. Take it easy.
Maybe I'll go back, but it is good to stand.
You got COVID right now?
Right now, baby.
How's it feel?
Feels like crap.
Damn, I feel like, getting COVID is actually kind of a superpower for your immune system, It's like we're getting genetically modified to like be more resistant,
I hear you. Yeah. I mean, I never really get sick. This is the second time I've been sick in like 6 or 7 years.
Wow. Do you
Yeah.
ever get the flu shot?
Yeah.
You do? Cool.
Yeah. So is your chicken in your house right now?
The chicken. Here's the chicken. The chicken's outside. The chicken like has a little house outside.
No way.
Wait, hold on, boys. Here.
Hey,
I'll take off my. I want to see the chicken too. I want to see the chicken too.
And you said he cuddles?
Yeah, chicken cuddles. Okay, so right now chicken's not in cuddling mood because it has abandonment issues. So like when it was baby, it was with me all the time, every day, hanging out around the house. It was cute, but then it got a little bigger. I left for like 3 weeks. I came back and then the chicken was like, "Who the fuck are you, man?" And then, I hung out with him for like 2 weeks or something. And then the chicken got accustomed to me and it was like cool. But then I left for a week and then I came back 2 weeks ago. And then the chicken was kind of like, it knows me, but the chicken's not as cool because I feel like since it got bigger, it's more like independent, she wants to be like, "I'm a chicken, leave me alone."
Yeah.
Dude,
Dang, chickens are complex, man. I had no idea.
the chicken knows when to run and when to come to me because like it can tell when I have food in my mouth, in my hand. So whenever I have food, he's like, "Hey, what's up? What you got for me?" But if I'm just like, saying hi or something, sometimes the chicken's like, "Hey, leave me alone, dude. Leave me alone."
Damn, so do you eat chicken?
You know what? This is an interesting one. So I actually like 10 years ago, I was delving into like willpower. Willpower, you only have so much and blah blah blah. I was trying to figure out what can I do, and I used to eat chicken. You know what I mean? It's like one of the things I love to eat. So I was like, I'm gonna build my willpower by not eating chicken.
Did you love chicken that much?
I used to, yeah, like hot wings and stuff like that. So I was like, and also I was trying to be more vegan. So I was like, I'm going to stop eating chicken. That's one thing I won't touch. And then I started practicing that to like, up my willpower. And I haven't eaten chickens in like close to 10 years.
Wow.
Damn.
Yeah.
I love
It's
it.
good. Or else your chicken would probably be pretty pissed at you.
No, I think we're going to eat this chicken. I mean, not me, but my family. Yeah. What? It's the circle of life, guys. Like, there's no.
Yeah, but that's your pet, man.
Dude, that's fine. That's fine. You can like it. It would probably be happy that we ate it at a reasonable age. You know what I mean? It's fine. It's a circle of life,
How
my
long
friend.
do chickens last for? Like, how long are they alive?
You know what? I not looked that up, but I should. Maybe
How long do chickens last?
Yeah,
It's
like
a
how
can of
long do they
beans.
survive?
It's not a can of beans in your cabinet, Professor.
No,
It doesn't
they're
have expiration
aging. They've
Somebody
avoided
Google
an
it.
aging process.
date.
an ancient chicken, like 20
How
year
long do
old
chickens last?
Yeah, how long do they last?
on Earth.
Man, you're a rascal.
All right, boys. Thank you, Monopoly, for the comment about putting a post-it note over there. That was very smart of you. Thank you. What's your
man.
real name, Monopoly? Do I know you from IG? Like, who, I some of you have your new names. I don't know who you are. I just want to know who my people are. No, that's a real question, Francisco. After the show, let me know how long those guys live for. I don't know. I never looked into that.
I'll look it up.
All right, let's start off the show, boys. Brody, sit or whatever you want to do. Get comfortable. Let's rock and roll. Let me shut this. Let me
I'm
get
sitting.
Myself. All right, I pinned myself. Let's rock and roll. Let's start the show. All right, boys.
Get it.
Hold on. What the freak? Double click.
What the freak?
Okay, here we go. Let's rock and roll.
Boom.
All right, boys. Let's start the show. So wait, is this Hike and Ashy? No, it's not Hike and Ashy. Hike and Ashy doesn't work on this. All right, I want to try. What indicators do you want to use? Because I want to add an indicator to you guys today. Because my next Tuesday. Oh, by the way, thank you guys. I have your attention here. And excuse me, Nunez, if you're watching, I'm gonna send you a story to post Monday night about on your IG, Nunez, and you too, Antonio. That Tuesday is my book club. I'm not going live on Tuesday. So guys, no live Tuesday. My book club for my seminar students, just so you know. Boom, no live. I'll see you back next Friday. Next Friday. Boom. I had some really big guests coming on next week, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I don't know how to figure that out now. But let's start the show. We are using the 3-layer VWAP at least. Okay, boys? You know, Brody, I know you know about it. I taught you that. But Francisco, do you know what the 3-layer VWAP is?
No, actually, I saw that video on your YouTube, but I haven't watched it.
I thought you watched my course, baby boy.
I did. You know what? I don't remember. I went through it. I swear I went through the thing. You know, there's a bunch of stuff I don't remember. I didn't remember the 1 point, you know, like going below. Like there's a few things that I didn't remember. I went through it pretty fast, I guess, you know.
Professor, he knows. He knows when you didn't do your
of
homework,
course
man.
I know. You
I
already
didn't
know
do it.
know.
I didn't do the homework. That's true. No, but I went through it. I definitely, there's things I do not remember at all. You know what I mean?
It's okay. That's why I have the virtual seminar, 4-day event where you're live action in there, asking questions in the heat of the moment, doing this stuff. So boom.
I'm doing it. I'm jumping in. I think November.
November, yeah, whenever you want. Whenever you want. The link is daytradeprofessor.com. The link is actually in. Oh no, it's not even on my YouTube bio. I gotta put that in my YouTube bio. But boom.
Yeah, your link tree doesn't work actually. When you go to your thing, it goes to ClickFunnels.
What?
Yeah.
Wait, what doesn't work anymore?
So on your link tree, when you go to like the seminar
the
thing?
the link tree is old. That's from my old. Yeah, I gotta update all that. Yeah. I gotta update that today. I gotta do that. All right, boys, let's kick off the show. Let's do it. Are we ready? Let me see if yep, we're ready. Let's rock and roll. All right, boys, give me the indicators. We are using, give me what you want.
Francisco, what do you like?
I like the volume and the MACD.
MACD volume check. Next.
Yeah, let's do RSI.
Check.
And let's do the 920 and 200.
Check. And the VWAP. So we're gonna keep in the 3-layer VWAP. Got it?
Yeah, is that something you've been testing, Professor?
No, I've been using VWAPs. This 3-layer VWAP from last year, but I want to use it on the live show. I haven't used it I don't think I've ever used it on an entries and exit show. It's good to have.
All right, let's do it.
Okay. All right, I gotta find a way that you guys keep popping up. I want my screen here, but you guys are faced like small, so everyone can see the damn smartboard. So how the hell do I do that? Huh? Why is that happening?
So what are you trying to do?
I'm trying to make it so my face and the charts are the biggest thing that people see on YouTube, and you two are the small screens that you are, so they can see this. The people at home can see the screen.
Gotcha.
People on YouTube, are you seeing me and the boys small, or do you keep seeing the boys come on too? Guys, check your YouTube. What's happening?
Oh, let me see. Oh, sorry. Okay. I think you have to pin your screen in the Zoom. Okay.
I did. I did. It says pinned.
Okay, you're pinned. It's just you.
No, but you come up too, though. That's the thing. You're coming up too, Francisco. To Antonio, if you're watching, can you jump on and help if you can?
Yeah, okay, I see it. I see me now.
Yeah, I know you guys see the. Oh, so they do see you guys.
Professor, I just pinned you.
You pinned me? Okay, okay. So let's see on YouTube. Francisco, Brody, talk. Let's see if you guys pop up too.
Okay, let's see.
Talking.
I think it's going back and forth.
It's going, Antonio. We got to find a way to fix that.
It wasn't on the 8 p.m. show, Professor.
It wasn't. Yeah, I don't think it was.
It showed all of us.
Yeah. Yeah, pinning is the only way.
I did that already. Antonio, any options?
Yeah, because we only have speaker view, gallery view. Whoever speaks is gonna pop up, or gallery view is everybody's on.
Yeah, the gallery view.
Gallery view is better though. That's it's on APM.
Let's see. No, but baby boys, am I not too small then?
Let me see.
Check. See, guys in the comment section, see if this is too hard to see. Hold on.
Or Brody and Francisco, you can turn off your.
Yeah, the mic.
You can turn off your.
Ah, yes. Yeah, even though I want to see their reaction, but that's probably the only way this could work. All right, yeah, boys, go ahead. Shut up. You can come back on towards the end. Go audio mode then. Perfect. That works.
Oh, audio mode. No, but still, if you do go audio mode, it's still gonna go back and forth because it's doing it with Anthony. So I
Oh, it
think
is?
gallery view is like the best.
Right now, I only see you, Professor.
Oh
Okay,
yeah,
Francisco, talk.
I'm here. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Moving
think
it up.
gallery view is the way to go.
Yeah, I don't think it's unless you're on a phone, it's too small. You know.
Even though I want to see their reaction, but that's probably the only way this could work. All right, yeah, boys, go ahead. Shut up. You can come back on towards the end. Yeah, because I'm looking at it. It's so small, boys.
Yeah, on your phone. Yeah, on the phone is gonna be small for sure.
Oh, I don't see you coming up anymore, Francisco.
Oh, really? Great, super.
What about me? What about me?
Yep.
We're the
Nope,
only-
you boys are not popping up anymore.
Awesome.
Antonio, what do you think?
Yeah, it's perfect.
It worked.
Yeah.
Thank you, Antonio.
Welcome.
Okay, let's start. All right, let's go, boys. Tell me what to do. Let's wait first. Let's get rid of all the indicators. Hide indicators. All right, boys, talk to me. What do we do?
Give me that daily
All right, daily chart.
Daily.
and zoom out. Let's get that big pick.
All right, here you go. I'll move out of the way. You know what? Let me shut off the TV. Hold on. I'll just look at the comments from my phone. Is that better now, Brody?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Big time.
Whatever's easier for you.
now
I mean,
oh damn.
I didn't mind I didn't mind how it was before.
Brody, I couldn't hear you. Sorry.
Whatever's easier for you, Professor. I don't mind how it is now, or if the TV's off.
Let me
Yeah.
try something. Hold on. We got to experiment because it's.
It's like very meta to see the reflection of it.
Nope, that definitely doesn't help. Definitely doesn't help. What's the solution here, brain? Oh, I know what to do. Hold on, I got an idea. Does that work? Yep, that should work. Hold on. Can you talk?
It's fine.
What?
Okay, perfect. All right, that can work. All right, boys, let's rock and roll. How is it now?
It's good.
Crisp.
It's good.
All right, let's do it. Tell me what to do.
So I'll tell you what I see, and then I'd love to hear what your thoughts, Francisco. I see a very not a steep stage 2, but it has been on a gradual incline until it hit that peak and then collapsed in a stage 4 manner. Then it went sideways. Then we had that gap up near the most recent days.
Mm-hmm.
Gap up, down, and it looks like it's recovering. So I'd say that it I don't know if it's in a stage 2, but I mean, you know what? I think it is, because I think it's staged 1, and it's it went up and came down, and I think it will go back up again. I think it could be entering into a stage 2, especially if it gets over that. I mean, I can't tell the price, but if it gets over that most recent peak that I see, what do you think?
Yeah, I'm seeing like a strong level of resistance in that last bump that it did.
Yeah.
Because it's really flat on the top. It's like is it a double top?
There may be three
Like
candles there.
wicked, no? Yeah. So that looks like it was super solid being sold there. And even from previous days. But I think it's in an uptrend from what I can see.
Yeah, I agree. Let's zoom into this last quarter of the screen here from when it went sideways. Professor, can you do that?
Brody, go ahead. Tell me. You want me to zoom in?
Yeah, can you zoom into this kind of the most recent quarter of the price action? where we see it go sideways, and then yeah,
Okay, I see.
yeah.
Interesting.
So it fell, and then it definitely held a
Hmm.
level there, went sideways, and
Huh.
looks like it could make a continuation up. Okay. Um,
Well, I don't know because the one before got has a long wick. The day before has a very long wick on it. It's like a backwards hammer.
yeah, it hit that price and then got rejected.
Big
But it's
time. It got
still, I
rejected.
mean, it's still end of the day green, and it gapped up. That last candle, I mean the third to last candle, it
Mhm.
closed pretty low, but it gapped up the second to last day. But I think it's on an uptrend.
Yeah, I think it's in an uptrend.
Okay, Professor, can we see the spread?
The spread,
Brody?
yes.
Okay, I'll show you this. Can let's do something else before the spread because I have to hide the ticker when I show you the spread. So let's do the other stuff first. You know what I'm
The
talking
support
about.
and resistance, right?
100%, boys. Tell me how to do it. Let's go.
I would do a resistance on the top of that wick, the one before, the day before.
Right here.
Yes,
Okay.
right
not
there.
neon green. Okay. What's next?
And then support. Would you say support is like on the? I would do it kind of in the in where it closed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days before.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. This one?
Yeah, where it closed. Yeah.
Where it closed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Right here.
No. That's
That's
not where
where
it closed.
No, that's where it like
That's the
the
low
low.
of the day. You mean on
That's
the
the low.
body of the wick at the top body?
Oh, you're talking about the body close.
Yeah, the body close.
Oh, okay.
Well, just because I'm seeing like other people, like other buys, you know what I mean?
That's the open, Professor.
So
Yeah, that's the open, but yeah, that's kind of where see that's where it also closed on the day before. So go up.
But wait, my question to you is, the reason why I'm confused is I'm trying to figure out why the hell are you picking that one? That's why
Well-
I'm like super confused.
No, because it's literally the open of the day before. I mean,
Okay,
the
no,
close
but-
of the day before. Sorry.
But why are you going here? Remember
No,
what I
I-
taught you? Francisco, start recent.
Recent. So
Yeah, always
yes, that
start
one.
the-
The most
That one.
recent candle.
Yeah, that's why I was like, what the freak? Why that one? To me, that
No, it's
doesn't
because I was looking at the side, so I'm looking at like how it's hitting all the way through on the sides. Anyway,
No, but we're gonna do that, baby boy. We're gonna do that 100%. But hold on, let me move you out of the way.
Well, we still need the spread to figure out how far
we
we
will.
can go through the lines.
No, we're gonna do that, Brody. We're gonna 100% do that. But we always do support and resistance first.
yes.
No, we have to know how far to go on the support resistance lines. We need the
Okay.
spread.
Okay, fine. I gotta hide it though. Hold on, I have to
Hide
hide
it.
it.
Or Professor, just tell us the numbers. We don't have to see it.
No, but I have to. I don't know the numbers. I gotta check on it myself.
Oh,
Hold on. I gotta find something to cover it. Hold on. I got one of my paintings. Hold on.
that level
Okay.
does look good to me.
Okay. There you go, Brody. There's a spread.
I can't see it,
$6.
boss.
Oh, you
See.
can't. Okay. $6.55 and to $6.80
So a cool 25 cents.
roughly.
And where is it at? It's at the top of the 52-week range. Okay.
It is. Yep. It's right at the edge of the 52-week range. Boom.
Is the Professor the top of the 52-week range? What's that price?
$6.84. Your ticker, baby boy, is $6.71 right now.
Damn. So it looks like that 52-week range is where those two green wicks and that big fat red candle are at the top.
No, let's see it. Let me get rid of the spread. Hold on. Let's see.
Yeah, you're good. We don't need any more.
Okay, done. All right. So let's see.
Yeah, can we see that top? What is that price?
$6.03, Brody.
Six what?
$6.03.
$6.03.
Yep.
That doesn't
I
make
thought-
sense.
I thought our current price was $6.71.
Right.
Oh damn! It's
6:30 or what?
why the hell is it? Oh, I know what I did. I went back a few days. I'm not at it now. I went back a few days. If you get my drift.
Oh,
That
okay.
makes sense.
All
Yeah.
right. All right. So that 671 is not our current price.
No.
No.
No. Our current price right now is $5.89, Brody.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right, hold on. Let's do the support resistance again because I'm not a fan of the way we did them. All right, let's start it again. We
Let's start from the most recent candle, top and the bottom.
We always do it that way.
Always.
Okay, boom, boom, done. Now we know there it is right here. All right, what do we do next, Brody or Francisco?
So we have a spread of about 30 cents. So we got to go 30 cents up and 30 cents down from what the current price.
Boom. Let's go to the next level. Guys, is somebody's car alarm going off?
Yeah, that's in my neighborhood.
Oh, okay, no worries. That's driving me crazy, but it's fine. All right, so this is looking good. Once this breaks over 591, how are we looking?
We're looking good.
We're looking good. This is a great ticker for a beginner and a trader who's trying to figure out what he wants to do. Again, new people watching, I will tell you this ticker at the end of the live.
Cool. Okay, so now we got to. So the current price is. Sorry, can you repeat it?
589.
589. And what's that top resistance price, Professor?
$6.03.
$6.03.
So that 30-cent move up lines up to that other wick on the top. Is that right?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Once it gets above 591, this is going to 603.
Huh.
Let's see what stage it's on, boys. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Trend lines. Has to hit 3 spots.
This is an interesting ticker. Let's see something. This bad boy fell downtrend, consolidated right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what stage is this thing on?
2.
Looks like it's consolidating between that.
Yeah, this look right here, boys. Stage 4 collapse. Started stage 1 right here. Broke. Looks like it's on a clean stage 2, but it's consolidating within that level. But it looks like a clean stage 2. It just had a strong pullback, but it's ricocheting right back and going off.
Yeah.
So what stage are we on right now?
We're on stage 2.
So we're bullish. We can go in heavier. We can stay in longer. This thing is going to run strong.
Got you.
If the SPY doesn't slow it down.
True. True. All right, boys. What do I do next?
Okay.
Indicators?
What do you say, Francisco?
Indicators?
We can either do that or let's look in the 2 hour just to make sure the lines are good.
Wait,
Okay.
we could look at the indicators.
Yeah, either one.
Okay. Here we go, boys.
Oh,
All
no.
right. Let's start with your MACDs. Talk to me, boys.
We
Beautiful.
are above the 0 point. The buyers just took control, and we got a nice step there, indicating some good momentum. So it looks bullish.
Boom.
Mhm.
I agree. Next one, RSI. Talk to me, boys.
RSI. You want to take Francisco, you want to take RSI?
Yeah, it looks like it's making the move. It might meet some resistance at that last peak where it hit. So yeah, looking bullish.
Okay, I agree. Now next, let's go to the EMAs. All right, boys, talk to me.
Is your 9 orange?
My green is 200, 9 is yellow, purple is 20.
Okay.
What about the 20, eh?
Yeah, we're above the current price is above all the EMAs. So that's
Correct.
good. I also like how the 9 is curling up
Mhm.
and the when this 9 and the 20 get above the 200, we'll be looking really bullish. But this is a good, first confirmation for a bullish sign. That 9 is above the 20, which is good, and it's starting to curl to the upside. So I like that.
I also like the volume on it.
The volume,
The
okay.
volume looks really good because even if we get like a seller, but what is that called? Like a candle for the volume?
Bearish. If it's selling off, bearish.
Bearish. Yeah, even if we get a bearish candle, I think we can still make a move up. Like we have momentum.
Mhm.
Yeah, I mean there's a lot of buyers there.
Mhm.
Talk to me, boys. What do we do next?
Okay, 2 hour.
Yeah, let's
2
go.
hour.
2 hour.
Done? All right, here you go. And again, just to let you know, I darkened this so it's easy for me to see. This is pre-market. I'll say it again.
Mhm.
This is pre. The yellow is pre-market. The blue is after hours. Boom. Just so you know.
Cool.
All right. I'm gonna
So-
zoom out. And go ahead. Did you do a good job with support resistance?
Yeah, it looks good to me.
100%.
Now, Professor, do we need another layer of support above? I mean, another layer of resistance above our last one because the current price is pretty close to it.
100%. So we're gonna figure that out. So how do we figure that out, Brody?
I'd go back to the daily
Very good. And now
and see. Okay,
let's condense this and make it tight. Talk to me, boys.
so I see. I'd like to see a level. So we see.
Here, I'll help you out. So I'll go above the resistance we have now. Here, I'll
Hey,
leave it
go
at
to the right. Go to the right.
Where? Here?
No. Left now. Yeah, around up. Right. No. Right. Down where you were. To the right. Around there. I want to see how this level looks. Around, I see some kind of resistance around this area.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Mother of God, why don't you stay, bro? All right, Brody, there you go. Check it out.
Huh.
Can we count? Can you
Yeah,
zoom
of
in and
course.
count?
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job, Brody. Oh, 7.
That's a good level.
That's a very good level. That price is $6.12 for a stock that's at $5.89 and it moves up like 25, 30 cents. What do you say?
I think that's good.
That's good. Francisco?
That's good.
Boom. We can make another one if you boys want. Here. We'll make another one. Let's see what's above there. Nope. Talk to me, boys.
Francisco, you want to take this one?
Sure. If you go up like right there, no, go lower. Like right there, I feel like there's another.
Let's see.
Mm. Yeah.
All right, let's do it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job, Francisco.
Money.
Good job.
Beauty.
We got
We're
bodies
done.
and wicks touching that. All right, are we done, boys?
Yeah.
Go
Let's
back
check
to
the
2 hours.
indicators on the 2 hour.
Yep.
Everything's looking good on daily indicators.
Looking very nice. Let's turn on the indicators for the 2 hour. Everything is above the EMAs. Here's your MACD. Boys?
Right, looking good still. Yeah, it looks very similar to the daily.
100%. Your RSI.
A nice dip, but still
Yeah.
making higher lows.
Boom.
Looks good
Higher
to me.
lows. Yeah, totally.
Tell me what to do next, boys.
So we're
It's about. You said what's the order of the EMAs, Professor? I cannot tell.
I got you.
We got
Everything-
9, the 20, 200. Looking very.
Everything's above it.
Looking gorgeous.
100%.
and it looks like that's gonna be a good support, right? Like when it opens that line in the middle of the body.
The 591. That's what you want. That's what I hope for, Francisco. That makes me very happy when it falls on that.
Mhm.
All right.
Boom.
2 hour looks good. Let's go to the 15.
Done. All right, let me shut the indicators off.
Yeah. All right. Let's look at what it's doing here, boss.
All right, there you go, boys. 15 minutes.
So this is where I make my trend lines. And I see from that, the lowest low on the screen, we can make a trend line up.
Very good, Brody. Excellent. Francisco, you know what he's talking about?
Yes.
How many candles should it touch, Francisco?
Three.
Good mother of God. Good man.
Make contact with 3 candles.
In pre-market, it came out of the trend.
Hmm.
But what do you boys think? I'm making it like this.
I mean, that is a strong trend line, but it did break it.
So we're gonna have to wait for what happens when market opens, correct?
Yes.
Wait for what
Yeah.
you said?
Wait for this, Brody. I'll show you right now. Watch this.
Is it touching with the wick and the?
I'll show you right here.
Okay.
You got 1, you got 2, you got 3 right here.
Oh,
This came out
nice.
of it. So Brody, what I meant was we have to see what happens at pre-market. Market opens. It should, because this is normal, unfortunately, in pre-market. This is normal. What we want is boom,
A gap.
boom,
Yeah.
boom, boom, Brody.
Yeah, I'd love for it to get above the trend line and hold right there on that support as well.
Correct.
That's good confirmation for me.
So let's talk entry, boys. Give me your entry.
Well, I would wait. I mean, let's look at the VWAP maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, let's look at the indicators first.
Okay.
I see.
I see no volume.
Well, there's really not big volume in aftermarket, pre-market.
Yeah, pre-market after hours, it's not really much, especially with blue chips. But the good part is it held on the lower level of VWAP right here.
Yeah, held on lower VWAP.
That's a good sign.
Mm.
So, I see the 20 is above the 9. So
Correct.
we really would love for that 9 to get over the 20. So right now I'm looking. What I see as the safest entry is above. It needs to break that next resistance and hold it as support. I think that is the safest entry.
So let's talk entries and exits and stop loss, boys. Let's start the conversation.
Okay.
Let's go. Let me shut off the indicators. All right, boys, give me. What is your entry? What is your exit? What is your stop loss? And let's go, Francisco, you.
So entry, I would have to go above the trend line. So like 590 kind of? Is that
Why 590?
590? Is that line up to that trend line? So just above the trend line.
You want it to be above the support. That would be a better off, Francisco.
Above the support. Okay.
Uh-huh. And
Yeah,
the
I got
support
it.
is 591.
591. So 590?
You're below it.
591. 591.
You can do 591. Entry is 591. What is your stop loss?
How many? Let's see if it's that. Oh, damn, I forgot. My stop loss should be. Should it be like one below the
Tell me the price. I'll guide you.
589?
Well, okay, you can do that. Yay! 589. Okay. What is your exit?
The 30 cents above.
Don't do it like that. Do support to resistance, resistance, support to resistance, support to resistance.
Got it. Right. So that's that resistance up there. I can't tell what that one is.
I got you. You have 603, and this one I have to move the mouse to see what this one is.
603 would be my
Okay.
safe.
This is a great stock to trade again for a beginner, without any damage. Slow, gentle mover. For the beginners watching, these are the type of things you want to start off with and then level up. A lot of you beginners, you jump into stocks that move $12 and you don't even know what the hell to do. So boom. All right, Brody.
Yeah. So that the next level of resistance, you said that's 591.
Uh-huh.
So my entry is 592.
Mhm.
My stop loss 590.
Mhm.
My exit is 602.
Right. You did it correctly, man.
Tell them why you did that, Brody. But before you tell them that, Pedro, VWAP should not be used during pre-market and after hours. Do not use it. Only when the market opens, and usually at 15 to 30 minutes after the market opens. Boom. All right, Brody, tell them.
Yeah, so we always want to enter 1 penny above support.
Mhm.
We always want to set our stop loss 1 penny below. Our exits always 1 penny under resistance. That's it.
Right.
100%. 100%. All right, let's keep going. Ready, boys? You wrote this down for yourselves?
Yeah, Professor, a couple things. One, so we see this trend line was broken during aftermarket, right?
Pre-market. Pre-market.
Pre-market. Would you make a different trend line, or is this trend line correct? Is this all we can do in this
This
situation?
is perfect because the pre-market and after hours is the wild, wild west. I don't really care.
Got
I
you.
don't care.
Okay.
Because
And
for me, Brody, my entry is above this, regardless of the fact.
very true.
And this bad boy is on a stage 2. So I already have confirmation that this is good to go.
Very true. Okay.
And I know that we're in the month of September, and the SPY probably has something to do with this.
Got you. Okay. Now, number 2 thing, there is another entry, but I think it's riskier, which is getting in on this bottom level of support. Let's say it falls and bounces. That
Yeah.
is possible, but it's more risky, right, Professor?
Yeah, so seeing how it plays out at market opens, but if you get this, Brody, you can take this entry. You can take it. A sidestep green candle off of it. You can take it 100%. Why not? Take it all the way to 591.
Yeah. Okay. So that's my second entry then. I'll do that as well. I'll be
Boom.
one ready
Write
for
it
that.
down. Write it down.
What's that level?
579. 1 penny above that support.
579.
That's the support is 578. So yours would be 579.
Got you. 579. Stop loss. 577. Exit. 590. Roger that. That's it.
Okay. Let's do it. You ready?
I've been ready, dog.
All right. Let's go. Let's expand.
Well, there's not a lot of volume in those candles.
No. This will be a very gentle mover. What do you call it? Remember, whenever you want me to pause and go to 5 minutes and show you all the indicators and everything, just let me know, okay?
All right.
The only indicator we use on the 1 minute is which one, Brody?
VWAP and volume.
Very good. We never do not use the EMAs. Super distracting. All right, there we go. So, Francisco, just to let you know about how the 3-layer VWAP works. Ready, Francisco?
Ready.
The middle VWAP is the same as the regular VWAP that institutions use. The middle. So the power of the 3-layer VWAP is the stock has a tendency to stay within, usually, not always, usually. And that's how it usually moves. And when it's above the middle, it's super bullish. When it's below the middle, it's bearish. Got it, Francisco?
Got it.
Boom. All right, boys, let's rock and roll. Let's zoom in.
And when it's above the top one, is it like overbought?
You could say that. You could say that. Yeah.
But sometimes it tends to ride that upper VWAP line.
As a form of support, 100%.
Yeah.
100% it does. All right, market opens. Let's do it. Are we good to go? Support line. Yep. 3, 2. See what happens. Boom.
Can you zoom in? I can't see.
Yeah, I can't see it.
I got you, boys. Done. Let me zoom in. Tell me if I should zoom in more. If you still can't see it.
More.
That's better.
Yeah. Oh,
Better?
yeah.
And Brody, look exactly what happened when market opens, baby boy. What happened?
Held right on our pretty little trend line.
Don't pay so much. Again, if you're penny stock traders, pre-market is your life. Gappers is your life. Pre-market and after hours is where your money is made. Where you focus on blue chips, don't stress it so much.
Mm.
All right, play.
Holding.
The risky trade, Brody, would be on the trend line, by the way. That would be a
Yep.
high risk trade.
I was just thinking that.
I know you were. Oh, boom.
Whoa.
Boom.
Like at 3 minutes, 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Because, baby boy, this is on a stage 2.
Hello.
Stage 2 stocks are monsters.
So you know how you say we should wait like 15 minutes before we enter?
Well, for a complete beginner novice, 30 minutes, 45 minutes for a complete novice.
All right.
Yeah, but I mean, look, if if I see this, I'm waiting for a retest of this level.
And you can get in 100%, Brody. You can do
If it
that.
doesn't
Alright.
retest, I'm not getting in.
You can do that 100%. Let's do it.
Okay.
He's 100% of the money. Let's see what happens. So nobody's in right now. We're waiting for the retest.
Yeah.
Okay, done. Mark is back on. Oh, look what it did.
Oh, there's a retest.
Okay.
Write it.
Sidestep green candle.
No volume though.
Yeah, it's a gentle mover. Oh, good man, Brody. No volume. Good man. Oh,
So is that our entry?
Okay, pause. See it. I'm not sure.
okay, I'll pause. Talk to me, Brody.
I wouldn't. I'm not sure because it broke support.
Yeah.
Got red, and then it opened below and closed above.
Okay, so that's why I brought in the 3-layer VWAP. Everyone watching at home, pay very, very, very close attention to what I'm about to say. Are we ready?
Yep.
You can alter your stop loss when using the 3-layer VWAP to what? Can someone tell me? What is your stop loss? Which one of these 3 lines is below that is your exit? Which one?
The middle one,
Why, Francisco?
because that's like a trend changer. It's like,
Yeah, my brother. Excellent. Brody, did you understand?
Yeah, well said.
So your hit will be a little more to your bank balance, your brokerage, but this is where risk management comes to play. This is where discipline comes to play. This is where trusting your skills as a trader comes to play. You can stay in it as long as it's above the middle VWAP.
okay,
But the second it goes below, where's it going?
down with the bears.
Bears to the lower level of VWAP. Get out under the middle. So the rules of engagement with the 3-layer VWAP have changed. Use that as your support, and below that, use that as your stop loss.
Gotcha.
Got it?
Okay,
So
but
boom.
Professor, if I'm not using 3-layer VWAP and when we see this sidestep green that opened below support and closed above it, is that a sidestep green that we get in on? Are we waiting for the next one? That's why I wasn't sure.
You're talking about this one, Brody?
Yeah.
So let's look at it on what time frame, Brody?
Should we look at the 5?
Let's go check out how it looks here.
Right.
How's it looking, Brody?
Oh, super
Beautiful.
bullish.
Super volume, super bullish. Look, let's turn on some of the EMAs. Let's have them guide us a little bit. How's it looking, Brody?
Great. That 9's about to cross the 20. That's bullish. I mean, that on the 5-minute, because there's barely any volume on the 1 on this ticker, I'd probably be paying a little more attention to the 5. And that's a nice sidestep green right there to enter on.
So boom, Brody, you can take it.
Mhm.
Okay.
All right, let's hit play.
So are we in on that? We could take it.
Yeah. It looks beautiful in the 5-minute. It looks beautiful in the 5-minute. It's above the VWAP. We're looking very nicely. We can ride this now.
Yeah.
Remember, we used the 1, 5, and the 15, but we can't do it on the show because it doesn't work with the replay button.
Yeah.
Let's see it. We're in. We're all in right now.
What do you call those candlesticks that are like a dash?
There's no volume in there.
Coming back to support.
Oh,
that's our stop
No,
loss.
but we're
Out.
good. We're good.
We're
Remember
good,
what I
we're good.
said? As long as it, Brody, see?
it held.
See,
All
Brody?
right, so now we're using VWAP.
I told you we
Oh
are.
my god.
Boom! Let me pause.
God.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching this at home, boom, boom. This is what I just told you. As long as it's above middle VWAP, don't panic.
Right.
And Brody, look at that beautiful bounce. Brody, do you know who that was?
Institutions.
Baby boy. Baby boy. That's why I said don't panic. The power of 3-layer VWAP.
Yeah, and you can see the volume.
All right,
Finally.
let's go back. We're in the trade. There's no panic here.
No, that's gonna carry us through.
And now, let's see what happens. If you know it's on the stage 2, you can take some of your profits and let the other half run all the way to 612. But me, I don't do that. I take out all of it and get back in. I like to secure profits at all time. I work hard for my money. So I don't let 0.25%, 50%. I don't have a FOMO problem. Last time I checked, I'm not pissed if I make $2,000 or $600 in a couple of minutes. I'm sorry. I don't get pissed about that anymore.
Mhm. I love that saying. Is like when you never lose money when you take profits.
Correct. And plus, remember, as a New York City teacher, I only make $200 working 8 hours. I make that in less than a millisecond. I ain't complaining. I ain't complaining. Look at that. The top layer VWAP is holding very nicely.
Yep.
We're getting very close to our resistance and our exit, boys. Be prepared. What are you
Good
doing?
luck.
Are we exiting or are we keeping some in? You can do what you want.
Yeah, I mean, if it hits my my exit, I exit.
Yep.
And then we'll get
602.
back in
You're
and drop
gone.
the next resistance.
602. You're done.
I'm
Let's see
down.
what happens. Let's see what happens here. I'm excited to see what's about to happen. Oh, broke through the resistance.
Good
So what-
volume.
With volume. Yeah. So does that mean we?
Professor, can we see the 5? Can you pause and go to the 5?
Okay.
Oh, that's great. No.
Nice.
Here, let me turn on your EMAs, boys. Look at that.
Psh, to the moon.
A little overextended, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's far. The price action is far away from the 9. It will come back down to it.
Let's go
Mm.
back to the 1. So it's looking very nicely, moving smoothly, and there was nothing wrong with taking profits. Francisco, did you exit as well, my son?
Yeah. So, but then let's say I exit the whole thing.
Okay.
This bullish candle that came on. Do we wait for that retest
You wait
or?
for the retest, and you can get back right in once you see some volume. Bullish candles come in, you can get right back in from 604 all the way to
Okay.
612.
Right. I would
So
get
when
in at 604 for sure.
Okay. Just wait to see how the candles look. They look a little weak, but let's see how it looks. The trend looks very nice. Let's see. You can. I do it. I did it all day. All day. I did it all week. I just got back in. I just got back in. Here we go. Let's see what happens. That one
Holding
looks
on
nice.
support.
It's nicely holding. And boom.
Yep.
Right on schedule.
Boom.
Here we go. We can ride this up to the next level of resistance of 612.
Yeah.
Look at the trends changing. The lines changing on the 3-layer VWAP. Look at that. We're trading. If you get a good entry, you can position yourself for a nice profit. As long as you don't buy too high. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
See, isn't this more relaxing than freaking penny stocks? I have to say, so relaxed.
Yeah. So true.
I feel so calm trading this.
So true.
That's how I feel with MRO. It's so gentle. You know, I don't have to stress anything. During my lunch break, it's all good. Here we go, boys.
Oh my God.
1 cent below your resistance. Brody, what are you doing?
Taking it 1 cent below, baby. I'm out.
All right, you're out. You've just double scalped it. And let's see what's about to happen. Is it going to break or it looks like it's, oh, and it got rejected.
Broken.
Let me pause this. Francisco, I need to make a point for you here.
Okay.
Francisco, what's the price for the resistance, Francisco?
That top one, 612.
612. You see that, right?
Yes.
What did this hit?
It didn't hit.
Yeah, what did it hit? What price?
I hit the penny below.
And what did Brody say he always exits at?
Yes, a penny below resistance.
Brody, who taught you that?
My doctor, Professor.
So, do you see, Francisco, why I always preach 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent below? It guarantees your exit out of the trade. Profit locked and loaded. Instead of you waiting for the exact resistance, these are the type of events that take place. Always
Right.
secure your freaking profits.
Correct. I love it. I'm a baby, and then Brody's a master, and then you're the master.
Listen, Brody just came to the seminar. You're going to be one of my seminar students. You're coming to the November, like you said. You'll join
Yeah.
him and the book club. I can't
gonna
wait to
kill
have
it.
you there.
We're gonna kill it.
Boom. All right, let's continue. I want to see what's going to happen. Let's keep going. By the way, it's not even 10:30 yet, by the way. Just so you know.
Right.
Look at the 5, Professor.
I got you.
Oh,
There you go, Brody.
damn.
Put the EMAs on, please.
There you go.
At this point, I mean,
Hmm.
I'd also I'd probably draw a trend line on the 5 or the 15 here.
Yeah, there's a trend, the easy trend line. Boom, right there.
Nice and pretty.
100%. You can if you want to. Nothing wrong with it.
What do you think about that divergence, like between the 9 EMA and the 20?
Well, it's really because it's on a stage 2. This is normal, Francisco. Stage 2 tickers are monsters, monster bullish, monster.
Right on.
This is normal. This is normal. This is a blessing when you're, again, the way I preach teaching how to trade, pick your 3 favorite. When your favorite ticker's on a stage 2, it's a hell of a ride. It's a hell of a ride. All right, market coming back on. Let's see what's about to happen here. Will you continue moving or will you go back to 603? Let's see what happens here. Okay, it looks like it wants to do a knock, knock, boom. Let's see what's about to happen.
Would we consider that this is a knock? Would we consider the previous one a knock as well?
Let me see. This
That's not the
price
same
was
size.
612.
That's not a knock.
This is 611. This is 611. This is
Oh.
612. So it actually, wow, this is interesting. It actually did a knock, knock at 11, knock, knock at
12.
12. Let's see what happens. The next couple of candles are deciding factors about a boom. Looks like a boom is coming or a rejection is coming of the boom. Let's see. We're about to find out.
I think we're gonna boom.
All right. The next candle is going to decide it. It really wants it. It really wants it. Oh, it really wants it. Look at the struggle here.
So much
Wait,
struggle.
can we pause? Can we pause? Don't do anything. Oh, thank God. Boys, this is a good question. People at home watching, let me ask you a question. Boys, don't answer this. I really want to do a poll right now. Everyone watching at home on YouTube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want the truth. Let me get the comment section. Boys, don't say anything. This stock hit the resistance of 612 8 times. What would you do if you were still in it? Let's say the greedy trader of yours comes out. Boys, tell me in a minute, but I want to hear from the audience. What would you do? Would you stay in and tell me why? Or would you exit? Tell me why. Go in the comments. Let me hear it. Oh, Rob. Oh, Monopoly is Rob. Oh, Rob. What's up, baby boy? I love it, Rob. It's coming to a seminar. He's a good man. I love Rob. Do you stay in the trade using middle VWAP even though it broke support and hit your stop loss, but the ticker still over the middle? Yes, Rob. You can with 3-layer VWAP. Is there a way to make 3-layer VWAP, Saint? On Webull? I have no idea, baby boy. I don't use Webull other than to trade with hotkeys. I don't know. What time of day is it, Eric? It is 10:40, my brother. 10:40. They're trying to help Saint. I don't know anything about it. 51 people watching, but only 18 likes. Thank you, Tracy. Thank you. Yeah, guys, if you hit likes, you just you'll activate the algorithm for YouTube. But you know what sucks? The title. The title of this live is not going to bring people over from YouTube. They'll be like, "Who the hell is Professor Meetings?" They'll be like, "What is that?" That's the sucky part.
I think you can change it, no?
I can't while I'm on the live now. I that's when I end the live. I'll have to see if I can change it. But it's fine. It's my first time going live like this, so it's cool. Like I said, there could literally be just you two here and nobody else. I would still teach. Because for me, I'm not a person who's trying to help millions. I'm trying to help one person at a time. And that's how you change society. One person at a time.
Love it.
Love it.
Okay, here we go. Now they're saying, okay, I got get out.
Yeah, I'm seeing that. And it makes sense.
Wait to see what happens. Eric, that's not what I want. I want to know what you want to do, baby boy. Exit because it's hitting resistance. Can't break resistance out. Wait. Wow. Daniel, you got a lot of discipline over here. Luis is here. Luis, why are you taking back your comments, baby girl? Good to see you, by the way. Staying because there could be a spike in volume. Okay, cool, Kevin. Exit my pullback to retest. Okay, Uriel. Monopoly says strong. Marjorie says exit doji candles showing. Whoa, where are all these people coming from? Are you guys? Oh, sure. We just jumped to 57 on the live tonight. Nice. Welcome, 57 people. I'm gonna save this live, so if you're late, no worries. You can rewatch it. Exit doji candles showing up with a change. Stay. Sell looks like a lot of indecision. Okay, cool. Stay. Damn, there's a lot of mixed feelings here. Title while you're live. Luis, how do you do that? How do you change the title? Let me see if I don't know how to do it. I'm trying. I don't know how to do it. Yep. I have no idea how to do it. It's cool. It's not a big deal. All right, boys, give me your answers now.
Go ahead,
I'm
bro.
out.
Yeah, me too.
I'm not staying in that.
Okay, good.
Taking
Take your
profits.
profits. There is not, I swear to God, I said this last week as well. I don't know what's wrong with us traders, but I know what's wrong. I don't know why I'm saying I don't know, but it's greed.
It's greed.
We're greedy mother effers. We
course.
just more and more and more. And again, last time I checked, I enjoy the money that keeps coming in because it adds up. Like I saw what I made each day, and I looked at the weekly P&L, and I'm going, whoa, goddamn, that added up real quick. So
Yeah.
trust me, if you start doing that, look at your weekly P&Ls, you'll be like, wow, I didn't do so bad. In the moment, I'm like, damn, I only made 800 in 30 minutes. I wish I could have made more. Nah.
Nah.
All right. So both of you are getting out?
Yeah.
Done,
Yeah,
right?
man. I was out before.
What'd you say, Brody?
I was out before.
Got you.
But even if that happens again, I'm out.
Let's see what happens. Let's see it. Here we go. Ooh, it broke. Look at this massive
Oh,
volume.
big volume. Wow.
I'm fine with that.
Yeah, I know. No FOMO here. No FOMO here. No FOMO here.
So I like a retest and then another sidestep green to get in.
But okay, we have another level of resistance up there.
Yep, 624, boys. Let's see where this bad boy is headed.
Huh.
It's kind of holding right above.
I would have to consult my 5-minute.
Okay, hold on. I got you. Pause. 5 minute.
Not seeing
go.
a retest.
Yeah. Not seeing a retest. So, Professor, can you talk about what happens when we don't see a retest in like a situation like this? We know it's super bullish. We know it's on a stage 2. It gives us a little more confidence.
So let's do it. I love it, Brody. I always like the questions you ask. Number one, you already know what I'm about to say.
Oh, yeah.
It's above the 0-point histogram. Super. Yo, what the freak? That was weird. It just disappeared. Super bullish. Number two, it's on a stage 2. Yo, that's never happened before. These words are just disappearing. These are anomalies you will get once in a while when your stock is on a stage 2. And the rules of engagement change.
Right.
You can stay in longer, stress less, and enjoy the ride. Bullish. Number 2, it's on a stage 2. Guys, you got to mute me. Yo, that's never happened before.
I got you muted.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't mind as well.
Boom. Boom. There you go. So there you go.
Okay.
To answer your question, Brody, boom.
Yeah. So, I mean, considering now that I hadn't got in, I'd get in on this sidestep green here on the 5-minute.
Correct.
I would wait. I'm not in.
You're
Because
not in?
I'm seeing that MACD kind of coming down. I feel like the next candle for the 5-minute is gonna have a retest.
Okay. Okay. Let's do it. Again, you guys have some nice profits already. Everything has hit. But no worries. If you see it's on a stage 2, enjoy it.
Oh wow, big volume on that. Wow. Ooh, yeah, that's big selling. Huh.
See how it's been riding the upper layer of VWAP this whole time.
The
Right.
whole
Yeah.
time.
That's what it does when it pumps like this. I've noticed.
Here we go. Looks like it's headed to our next level of resistance. But
Wow.
you know what? Nobody is making the conversation. I want to talk to the people in the audience and then you two boys. People, no one has made the realization of what this entire time. What have we been using to guide our trades? In the comment section, boys, don't say anything yet. People in the comment section, what have we been using this entire time to guide our trade? Let's go.
Professor, I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay, baby boy. Let's go, people in the comments. Let me know.
We got no volume on those comments.
It's okay. Maybe there's a time delay, I think. All right, here we go. 20, VWAP, the EMAs, price action. Okay, keep going. Support resistance, Rob says there is a delay. Yeah, I know, Eric, there's a delay from our side to your side. I know, I figured. There's VWAP. What's the top line? That Daniel, that's the 3-layer VWAP, the top of the high layer. VWAP, price action trend, VWAP. Really? You guys think it's that? Only Rob says support resistance? Guys, have we not been using support resistance to guide our entire trading cycle? Look at the blue lines.
Mhm.
Have we not used that as our guide, really?
Beautiful. Yep, we have.
Yeah. This tells you, again, Brody, what's the first thing I taught you when we got into intermediate level trading in the seminar?
Support and resistance.
Before anything else, you have to learn support. Once I was done teaching them mindset fundamentals, and when we got to technical analysis, I jumped immediately into support resistance. That's where it is, people. You have to master and understand support resistance without a doubt in your minds. Again, the link to I was going to say in my bio, but it's not in my bio. It's the message pinned. If you want to know, the message is pinned. Daytradeprofessor.com. Go right there, free course. The information that you need. Everything you're learning like this, I teach it, people. You got to learn this, especially when the market rebounds, because it will rebound. You want to collect those checks. Brody, you back?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. All right, let me hit play. The next level of resistance coming, and it's almost 11 o'clock. God damn.
This thing's been running, had a good day.
Stage 2, beauty of stage 2.
Okay, that's where I would go in whenever I'd retest, when it tests that upper VWAP.
But you know what you can also do? Francisco, let me shut off the indicators. I teach this. Let me shut off the indicators. Let me shut off support resistance as well for a second. Brody, what did I teach you at the seminar? That even if you want to take a little riskier trade and it doesn't it doesn't retest, what can you do? Go ahead, Brody.
You talking about the staircase?
Tell him my technique.
So the XYZ staircase. So what? Yeah. What I do is I do a little horizontal ray, and this is, I mean, this really is a great one to practice on.
So Francisco and everyone watching at home, I call this the XYZ staircase pattern. Here's the thing. Okay, fine. It didn't retest the support level. Cool. You missed it. But if you see it doing the XYZ staircase up pattern, take the trade anywhere you want, but small position size. Small position size. That way you get rid of FOMO and you make money off of it. There have been many times in the past where I'm like, damn, it never retested. I could have made so much money. But guess what? Once you understand the XYZ staircase pattern, go in with a smaller position and ride the wave.
Yeah, and it's very, I mean, for those of you who don't do the staircase, I do it with a small horizontal ray. I actually put the line in and I can see it climbing up. It also keeps me engaged in the trade. Sebastian showed me this. And then if it breaks that next stair, that's my exit too. If it doesn't get all the way to resistance and it breaks the next stair to the downside and the XYZ pattern stops, I get out there.
Boom.
Is that Ray? Is that like one of those drawing tools in TradingView?
Yeah, it's a ray. Yeah,
Cool.
just a line.
So there you go. For those of you that wait for the pullback, don't stress it so much. All right, market back on. Let's see what's about to happen, and then we'll review. This thing wants it. This thing wants it, and these are beautiful days to enjoy. These are beautiful days to enjoy. Brody, let me ask you a question. As this thing keeps getting pumped and pumped, when the seminar students, when you guys get together, have you guys made a list of all the stage twos right now, or no?
It's funny you mentioned that. We just talked about that yesterday. About making our own.
Who brought that up, and what was spoken about? Actually, don't tell me. Tell me when we finish teaching. When I finish teaching, we're in the middle of a lesson. Never mind. Tell me later. Tell me.
Sure.
Oh, look what happened now. Let me pause. The game has changed a little bit here. Guys, what just happened?
It broke.
Broke it.
Above, upper VWAP. Now it's officially
Below.
below. So now let's see what starts happening. So here's the question now. And again, guys, don't answer yet. I want the comments. The hell? I want the comments to answer this. People at home, once you see the candles get below upper VWAP, what do? Do you wait to see what happens? And if it's going to go to your destination of resistance, stay strong, or exit knowing it's below and it has from 620, it could go all the way to 612 and then all the way to middle VWAP. You can lose a lot of profits here if you're trading. So people at home, what do you do? Tell me. Let me start reading the question. Again, there's a delay, so I know I have to wait a little bit. Rob says, at what point in the staircase do you get in though? Anywhere in the XYZ pattern. Anywhere you want with a smaller position size, Rob. Since you ain't get the retest, okay, just answer that. I love using the upper VWAP. Tells you a lot of overbought in the area, but on a bullish day, it doesn't care very 100%. Did it break the trend of the 5? Okay. Weakness. Okay, here we go. Stevenson says, exit, drop coming. Sell half. Okay, cool, Emmanuel. He just wants to sell half. Uriel says, run away. Kevin, I'd probably take half my profits or exit. Okay, cool. Exit. Salo, thank you for the nice comments on my YouTube video, baby boy. I saw the comment you left. I appreciate you. Kevin says profit. Let's see a few more people. Diego says, I sell 75% of my position. Okay, cool. Sophie, secure profits, re-enter later if there's an opportunity. Very good, Sophie. I love it. Take your profits. Okay, Manuel, I like it. Finally, we're getting there. Probably get out. Mark, you got to give me a proper no probablys here. Sell under the upper VWAP. Okay, cool. All right, people. Eric, Brody and Francisco, what do you say, boys?
Yeah, out.
Out?
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean, I can't tell, but if it breaks my staircase, then that's my exit. I don't know if it has yet.
Yeah.
Let's look at it here. Let's hide all the indicators.
Broken.
Yeah.
Anomaly alert.
Yeah, that's done. But
You're out? Okay, cool.
Especially for using
Now,
3-layer
I'm excited. I'm excited because you used my strategy. You're literally using my XYZ strategy to see that it broke it. So now let's see what happens. I'm excited to see what's about to happen. I'm super excited. Let's go to the 5 minutes for a second. Have we had any pullbacks yet? Ooh, what is something very interesting on the 5-minute, boys?
It's going sideways.
Let's see. Let's go back to my staircase, XYZ staircase. Rob, if you're watching, Rob, listen, Rob, I didn't tell you this, but no smoking weed 1 week before the seminar. I don't want you smoking weed for a whole week before the seminar, Rob. Check this out, boys.
Look how gorgeous that 5 minute channel.
Oh, I know. That's
My
why I
God,
teach
that's
you-
amazing.
That's why I teach you to use all 3 time frames. And look what happened right here is the anomaly right there. You see the anomaly on the 1 minute, you see the anomaly on the 5 minute. So what does that mean? Everyone's saying exit. So let's see I'm excited to see what's about. Damn, I love this part. This is my favorite part. Everybody's predictions right here. I want to see what's about to happen. This is fire. Let's go.
Fire.
3, 2, 1. I'm excited to see what's about to happen.
Huh.
I want to expand, bro.
Uh,
I mean, it is super extended from the EMAs, is it not?
yeah.
Oh, but no, that's the volume. Never mind.
Oh, I see that line, the yellow one down there.
Curling up.
Volume's coming in. Boom.
Boom!
Look at that
My
volume.
God.
God damn. And now the upper layer VWAP is massive resistance for it. Look at it smack right down. It's smacking it.
Right. That's what I've been looking at. It's just smacking it down.
It's still struggling. It's stuck under it.
But we're going up. Up till now.
Yeah, it's too much of a struggle to get to that resistance. I would be out as well. Just like all the boys and everyone said, I would be out too. There's too much struggle and violence here between the buyers and sellers here. I don't like it one bit. And here we go. Let's see what's about to happen. We're getting to our cutoff at 11:45. We're getting close to it.
Already made good trades too.
What'd you say, Brody?
We've already made good trades.
Oh, we made fantastic trades. Oh, here we go.
Oh my god.
Francisco.
Suspenseful. Oh my god!
Ooh, that's a wrap. That's a wrap.
What?
Fire. That was fire.
What? It's like a magnet. That's resistance.
Baby boy, we did a good job. Francisco, by the way, you were the one that made that 624 resistance. You know this. I didn't make that.
Nice.
You did good. And there you go. Let's see what's about now. Is it going to collapse now, bro? God damn.
Life support.
What does a 5 look like?
Crazy.
Bless you.
Thank you, bro. Here we go.
Massive rejection.
At that resistance. So let's talk about something here, right? This is important. I want you to think of a stock like a car. When a car you run extremely aggressively all day, eventually needs to cool off.
Hmm.
It needs to eventually cool off. And this is the period. What do you do, guys? The boys, don't answer.
Hmm.
Let's go. Comment section. Let's go. I'm on the 5-minute chart, by the way. And please don't let me end the live without telling you what ticker this is. What do you do when you start seeing this happen? You rode this fantastic wave, and then you see the cool off period. The stock is hot. It's cooling off here. Let's see what you're saying. Jorge says, I gotta stop eventually. It can't go forever. Take your money out. Yeah, I agree with you 100%. I like that stock. There's no massive sell-off. Yeah, Kevin, that's how I teach. I teach blue chips. No massive set. Baby boy, you must be coming from penny stocks, Kevin. 100%. Seems like a nice company, to be honest. Must have had a fire catalyst. I have no idea. And you can do the bar replay, but you can do it. But can do the bar replay, but can you do it? Yeah, that's why we're learning it, baby boy. We're practicing. That's what athletes do. Their coach shows them videos of their previous play. That's how you learn. Sell, stage 4 will come. Exit, get out, consolidation, get TF out. We are about 6.24. Be grateful for your profits, Eric, 100%. Pedro says stage 3, get out, consolidation, risk versus reward, ETFO, wait for the breakout, jump off the trade when it consolidates, 100%. I agree. Boys, what do you say?
Yeah, get out, man.
Stage 3.
Yep. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna. Move this up a little. Oh, what the freak? What the freak?
You broke it.
I broke it. I broke it.
Oh, weird.
Okay.
Wait,
So let's break it down. Let's break down the lesson. Let's break down the lesson. Let's go. Boys, answer that. People at home, answer that. Let's have the conversation.
You know all this, Brody.
you want me to do it?
Go for it. Go for it.
Chris,
Wait,
you want me to go?
before you
Yeah,
boys
go.
do it, go ahead, go ahead. I was gonna say let the audience, but go ahead.
Yeah, for me, I mean, I'm gonna remember confidence. Have confidence in the strategy. Now that we looked at this ticker, a couple of the stocks I was trading, they were moving like pennies. They were moving like pennies. So I'm looking forward to getting back on these slow moving blue chips and trusting the strategy. 1 penny above support. If it breaks, get out. Look for the next entry. Look for the next opportunity. That's it. And have confidence without a doubt in the support resistance and trust it and
Mhm.
just let it ride.
100%. Francisco.
Yeah, I want to remember the support. and
Wait, boys,
resistance
turn your
thing.
videos on. Come back. We can see each other now.
Cool. Yeah, I'm like, yeah, that support and resistance thing is always very, accurate. It's crazy. It's like witchcraft. So I want to remember that. Something that I learned today, the 3-layer VWAP, working with that, writing it. And also I want to do the blue chip thing. I've been actually since last time been looking at, have my list, and I've been trying to just look at one ticker, at the time, try to get used to it.
Yeah, I mean, I was looking at my blue chips, and then if one didn't have any setups for a couple of days, I would switch it out with another one.
Mhm.
But I like the idea of continuing to watch it anyway. You get to know it, and then when that time comes, like MRO's time came again, that stage 2 hit, you're all over it. So that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, Professor, we were talking about. I came into our session late when we were talking with the seminar students, talking about creating our own list. But I think it was just Sebastian who was talking about his sentiment, looking at other tickers bouncing all over the place. Like, why don't we have a list of our stage 2s for our seminar community, and so we can all look at them together and analyze them together and have the same list.
So my suggestion to all of you is sit down, all of you, get together, get everyone together, and start searching through where all the stage 2s are and play them out. start making a list of them, create a Google sheet on Google Drive, Google Sheet, and whose ticker is it? Which seminar student? What is the ticker? What stage is it on right now? Because FYI, if you find stage ones, who said there's anything wrong with ignoring stage ones? Just be like, I'll tell you right now. So let's do it together, right?
Yeah, what was that ticker, by the way?
The ticker was the one Nunez gave me today. I mean, yesterday he told me. About it.
DHT.
DHT, guys, was the ticker. Every other ticker you guys gave me was all in horrific territory, all blood red, horrible, all got affected by the SPY big time. Not my MRO, not this DHT. I haven't traded it yet. I have to analyze it more, but looking like I have to look at it more. It looks like it's too slow for me, but it's double the money. So I could go in more aggressively and double the money because it is 50% off cheaper from MRO. So even though it moves slower, I'll make double what I make with MRO, and I'll take double any day of the week. So what the hell was I going to say? Oh, okay. My suggestion to you, Brody, and all the seminar students watching, because I know you guys get together and have Zoom meetings, you guys can do this.
That's so cool.
Yeah, they have a whole, they help each other, they go over trades, they have a whole, it's like after school club amongst all of them. And the beauty is, it's only my seminar students, my mindset, everyone from my level. Boom.
It's the best.
You'll be in it in November, and they have access to my free book. You'll be in there with them, Francisco, next month. I mean, November.
Yeah, yeah.
So my suggestion, again, not just the seminar students, everybody watching. It's just that the seminar students have my mindset. There won't be any pennies in there or stocks worth $800 and that type of nonsense. So, oh mother, the name of who said it, ticker, stage. If it's stage 1, it needs to break to become stage 2. Boom. And then have that person set an alert on TradingView when it triggers the break of stage 1 price. And that person will let the entire family of seminar students know, guys, it's breaking, let's go. You guys will become juggernauts if you can all work together to find them all and bring peace into the universe.
Damn, that's so true, Professor. I mean, I'm sure we're gonna be all over that. You little rascal.
Get on that, and let's see how things go. Because if IG does not, God forbid, but if I can't get my IG back for whatever, it is what it is. I'll add that to, how I gave you guys the book club when Antonio came with me to Puerto Rico. When I went to Puerto Rico and Antonio was there, we were swimming in my pool, and that's where the idea of the book club. Antonio brought it up to me. Let's see how things go. But if my IG is gone forever, God forbid, I'm not going back. By the way, if it's gone, I'm not going back. There's no point. I'm sticking here, and that's a wrap on that conversation. I'll add an extra day for the seminar students where it'll be, let's find stage 2s and prepare. Because I'm telling you, you can go, and again, if y'all are reading the hundreds of books that I gave you guys access to for free in the seminar book club, if you're reading any of them, you can have 4 bad months trading, 5 bad months trading. But if all the other months are good and successful, it negates the 5. People, some of the greatest traders of all time, have had a year that was bad, FYI. But their last 6 years was next level good. It happens to the best of us. But if you can get yourself stage 2s and just trade stage 2s constantly, again, I am trading MRO in September. Crazy coming in. And the SPY doesn't even dent it. It just keeps going. I'll look at it. Look at it, man. It just won't stop. Look. I was in all of these. Your boy was in them multiple times. So this is MRO, right? This is MRO. Now let's go into the 15 for a second.
Wow.
You see all these pullbacks? I wait for these pullbacks. And I get back and I write it again. For those that keep asking, why trading? Why not swing trading? This is why. Why am I waiting 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months for a nice paycheck when I can make that times 3, times 4 a day? Times 3, times 4, and then do it again the next day. Do it again the next day. Do it again the next day. And again, as I was talking to Mr. Peters, my heart feels good going to sleep knowing my position is closed. Because if the SPY breaks that level of support I showed you, and MRO will eventually take the hit. Eventually will take the hit. Once the institutions say, we're done. These are... As much as we want to say this is us, these are institutions, ladies and gentlemen. It ain't us. These are the big dogs. I'm just riding the big dogs as waves. I'm just riding the big dogs as waves. And you should be riding them too. Boom. Now, for those asking, when, Professor, do you start panicking? I got you with MRO. I got you right now. Once MRO starts doing this, Mother of God. Once it starts doing this, then I start saying, let me scale back my position size. Let me stay in for a shorter. I'm still trading it. I'm going to stay in for a shorter amount of time. I'm going to roll back my position size considerably. That's it. But I'm a scalper. What, am I going to stop trading it? Nah. Once it starts doing this, then of course I'll short it. If Webull has the short shares available to short, I'll short the bad boy all the way down. And then when it starts doing this, I prepare again. People, I've been trading this since last December, since my first physical seminar, when Sebastian, my student, went to go work at a crypto hedge fund. He told me about MRO. So boom, boom, there you go. Let me see if they have any questions in the comment section. Thank you, everyone, for the likes. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate everyone for subscribing. I just hit 1.7 thousand. So thank you for that. I appreciate the follows. Thank you so much. We need Galanita in the seminar group. They're gonna love you in that group when you enter the seminar, students. They're gonna love you, Francisco.
I feel the love, man.
Why don't you come to the October one this month? Why don't you come now?
I have so much going on, like I have a full-time job. I'm traveling, doing crazy stuff.
I love it. No, I understand. I tell everyone that. Do not even bother coming to any of my events if you can't figure that out. I agree 100%.
Yeah.
Got his chicken.
You guys are going to love it. He's going to send you updates of the chicken to you guys regularly.
The chicken's on a stage 2, that's for sure.
Stage 2. Hey, Professor.
Yeah, go ahead, Francisco.
I don't want to bring the vibe down, but I did see there's another Instagram account with your website on it. So this is not you.
Yeah. I have four scammer accounts. There's 4 scammer accounts. No, that's not me, baby boy. Why would I be private?
No, I know exactly. I requested with another account just so they know it's not me, No,
this has always been, Francisco, this has been happening since the beginning. The most I've had in 1 month is 7.
Yeah, I always report them.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Listen, the good thing is, the way I love these influencers. I swear to God, I'm like so little compared to the people that I know, these big influencers, and they know such high level people. Like just today, one of them gave me context of one of the big dogs at Instagram. And she's like, I'm gonna fight for you to get verified, Professor. So she's working on it. So they're all working behind the scenes to help me get my account back and verified. Here's the thing. I can come back. He'll take me out again, this person. But once I get the blue check, I'm untouchable. I can't be taken out anymore. The blue check gives my account a little high status and more power. I can't be taken out. So this person can't touch me once I get a blue check mark. I become untouchable at that point.
We'll get there.
God willing. Once I get the blue check, I don't have the fear of losing my IG again. Because once it comes back, that I will still be nervous in the back of my mind that any day now I'm gonna lose it again. Because literally, when he called and threatened to take it out, I'm like every day, I'm like every time I log in, I'm like, is it there? Okay, it's there. Is it there? And finally, when I logged in, I'm like, and it's gone.
What about your TikTok? I see you have like TikTok videos.
I don't have a TikTok. There's a fake TikTok now.
Yeah, man, the TikTok's out there, and I was like, is this actually you or is this a scammer account?
Oh.
Yeah, there's a TikTok with all your videos in it. It totally looks like you.
Send me. Well, not now, because this is getting saved. All right, Francisco. When this ends, send me the TikTok, please.
Yeah, we'll do.
Thank you.
It's all good. It's all you're going. You're on a stage 2, like hard volume.
All right, I'm not on a stage 2 right now.
Oh, you are. You still are.
I appreciate you.
Yes,
Appreciate
totally.
you. So, boys, any final thoughts? Because this is getting saved. So, any final thoughts? And let's end the live.
Oh, that's it, man. It was a great session.
Yeah, the
Brody, I
support and
appreciate you.
resistance. Support and resistance, drawing them is like such key.
Correct. If you notice, we barely looked at the EMAs. We barely once we knew, everyone watching at home, once we knew that the RSI was bullish, MACD was bullish, we didn't pay attention to it on the 1 or the 5. We didn't. Then we used price action. Then we used the 3-layer VWAP. But again, just price action, support, resistance. It's all you need. Again, boom.
Yeah, and also, getting a sense of what's going on, like the stage 2, right? Making sure that like the MACD, it's above 0. All that is like, you want to kind of get set up before you even,
Yeah, you must. People in the comment section, we need a link to the live webcam so that we can check in on your chicken. Oh my God, guys, forget the chicken for 2 minutes.
Done.
Professor, if you need some beats for YouTube intros, anything, let me know. No, Saint, thank you. I don't like the intro stuff. I just like to start the show. I like my videos to just start. That's what people enjoy. They tell me they like that. I just get to the point. I appreciate you, Saint, but I don't like any of that stuff. How can we help you to get the blue check mark? Eric, it's in Instagram's hands, baby boy, but I appreciate you, Eric. It's in their hands. There's nothing the only thing you guys have the power to is report and block these scammers. That's the only thing you guys have the power to do. No, a TikTok, I know, it never ends. Professor on infinite stage 2. That's true, Sophie. That's true. It's funny, actually, Francisco, I agree with you. My Instagram getting deactivated, it's the first red candle I've gone through in my since I became the professor, actually. I don't count the hate. I don't count the attacks, the death threats on me. I don't count that as red candles. But my IG being deactivated is the first time I've ever felt sad. At being the professor, being what I've accomplished, the first time I felt the type of way, like, God damn, that hurt. Like, damn.
Professor, think about this. You have one enemy, right? Whoever did this to you, but look how many allies it's bringing on your side.
That's true. That is true. That is 100% true. And here's the thing. These things just make me stronger. That I know. Oh,
Amen.
Someone sent me my TikTok. Ah!
Yeah, I just did too.
No. Oh, that's you? No, someone named Ricardo. Who's Ricardo? Who's this Ricardo person? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Huh?
They're doing a good job at like they started a long time ago. The account has been going on for like months.
Well, now where's he going to get content? Because he can't get it from Instagram anymore.
Yo, they got interviews of me and Sebastian?
Yeah, they got a lot of content in there, eh? Crazy, man. But it's all right. It's all right.
How do I get that taken down?
I don't know. It's a problem. This whole scammer thing, like there should be better ways of like getting those tech companies are not doing their job.
Yeah, they're definitely not taking out someone like me because somebody else is a little stronger. But
You kidding me? That's ridiculous.
all right, boys, on that note, thank you for coming. Everyone, thank you for coming on the YouTube channel. I appreciate you for the show number 2. Thank you so much. Again, Francisco, thank you for coming on. Brody, thank you for coming on. Boys, we'll leave together, so don't leave yet. again, as a reminder, no live show next Tuesday. I have my book club with my seminar students. We're going to go over my book again, go deeper into it. So boom, I will see all of you next Friday. And that's a wrap. If you want any more information, the link is in my, I got to do it now, but I'll do it right now on my YouTube. The link is in my bio, daytradeprofessor.com. Free course. Sign up for the seminar if you like this. We do this once a month, 4 days a month, 30 hours, covering everything trading related concepts for 30 hours. Boom. And that's a wrap, everyone. Thank you again, boys, for joining me. And it's over. Let me see if I